Who is your animal spirit guide? The animal in the East helps you through spiritual challenges on your path to illumination. Deer, the gift of gentle loving kindness. Deer teaches us that it is through love that we can move mountains. By being kind we can break any barrier, and through treading lightly and treating others gently we help others get past the fears that hold them back. This is your gift and how to get past your fears too. Led with love to connect with Deer to share your gift. Choose kindness.